Hi there, so I'm going to a PR networking type training type thing this morning and I'm feeling a bit nervous, so what I thought I'd do is do some tapping to help to calm me down a little bit, and I thought I'd record it so that you can use it as well if you've got something coming up that you're feeling a little bit apprehensive about. So before we get started, make sure that you have a nice glass of water afterwards. Tapping can make you feel a bit dry mouthed and dehydrated. Obviously, by tapping along with me, you agree to take full responsibility for your own mental health and well-being as well. So we're just going to start with 3 nice deep breaths. So breathing in through the nose, and then hold, and then out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose, and hold, and then breathing out through the mouth. And then breathing in through the nose and hold, and breathing out through the mouth. Now what I want you to do is just take 30 seconds to a minute, and I just want you to close your eyes and just tune in to your body, tune in to what's going on for you. So you can do that now. So just close your eyes, carry on taking those nice deep breaths, and just think about what's coming up for you with regards to what it is that you're going to, or what you might be feeling a bit nervous about, what your fear is, what you think might go well, what you think might not go well. So just some nice deep breaths as you kind of tune into those feelings. And it can really help if you can find an area of your body that maybe those feelings are coming up. So it's quite common to get feelings coming up in the tummy. It's quite common to get feelings coming up in the throat, so that's where I have a lot of kind of energy feelings in my throat, the chest and the hands and maybe the feet. So just sort of scan down through your body and see where that fear, that apprehension, that judgment, that nervousness actually is being held in your body. Okay, brilliant. So now that you've kind of tuned into that, we're just going to start tapping. So we start on what's called the karate chop point, which is here. Nice gentle tapping. Breathing deeply, and then just repeating after me. So even though I'm feeling quite nervous about this event, I accept myself and how I'm feeling. Even though I'm worried about how I'm going to be judged at this event, I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got all sorts of thoughts and worries going around my head about this event, I choose to deeply and completely love, honour and accept myself and how I'm feeling. And then up to the eyebrow point, all this worry about the event. Side of the eye, all this apprehension. Under the eye, all this fear of being judged. Under the nose, all this unknowingness. Chin point, all these thoughts and feelings. Collarbone point, all this nervousness. Under the arm, all this apprehension. Top of the head, just letting that all come to the surface and know that it's okay to feel the way that I feel. Eyebrow point, accepting those feelings. You can tap on either or both sides, by the way. It's entirely what you feel most comfortable with. All this fear and apprehension. Under the nose, accepting those feelings. Chin point, accepting how I feel. Collarbone point, and knowing that it's okay to feel how I feel. Under the arm, accepting all those feelings. And then top of the head. But what if things went in a good way or a positive way? Eyebrow point. And I'm going to give myself permission to think about that now. Side of the eye. Permission to think that I won't be judged. Under the eye. Permission to think that things will go well. Under the nose. Permission to think that there'll be lots to talk about. Chin point, permission to think that people will like me. Permission to think that I won't be nervous. Permission to know that even if I am, that's okay too. top of the head. Just accepting myself and how I feel, and permission to know that things might go better than I expect them to. Okay, so we're just going to take some nice deep breaths to finish that. And I want you to just tune in and see whether the intensity of your feelings has come down at all. What's really useful to do actually for future tapping, which I forgot, is before you tap, is just to kind of rate the intensity of how you're feeling. And that's called the Suds Level. That's the subjective units of distress on a scale of 1 to 10. So 0 would be like, oh, I'm completely chilled about going to this event, like no biggie. 10 would be like, oh my God, like I'm really shitting myself. Like, what's going to happen at this event? Will I get there on time? I'm going to be late. People are going to hate me. So rate your intensity, the before and after you tap. So hopefully those feelings would have come down a little bit. So we're just going to take some nice deep breaths as we tune into those feelings again. So breathing in through the nose and then hold, and then breathing out through the mouth, and then breathing in through the nose and hold, and then breathing out through the mouth. Just tuning into your body, breathing in through the nose and hold, and breathing out through the mouth. And I just want you to just stay with your eyes closed. You can just continue tapping on your collarbone point if you want to. Just closing your eyes and just letting a feeling of calmness, a sense of calmness into your body. Letting a feeling of self-compassion, that you love yourself, that you forgive yourself for feeling what you're feeling, and knowing that it's okay to feel how you're feeling. Nice deep breaths. There you go, and hopefully that's helped you to feel a bit calmer. It's really helped me actually, so that's good. So yeah, sorry about my voice, by the way. I've got a really bad cold at the moment, so yeah, hence my husky cold voice. So I hope you enjoyed that little morning tapping. Take care, have a good day, bye.